Yo guys, this is Nico Infinity again with you. Please ignore the background sounds because we have some people there. And let's start the video. So, as you can't see right now, we are testing out the Boeing 727. And we are right now going to prepare for pushback and departure, and we're gonna ask Alliance ground, and we're gonna say nose. No, we need nose left, tail right. Yeah, we need nose left, tail right, and no. So the tow truck is getting in motion. We're gonna continue. So this is the Prepare 3D yeah, the Prepare 3D 727 Boeing 727. It's an old aircraft, and we're gonna fly it today. So they're getting ready to take on. Okay, so they're locking the gear, and at that time we turned on the no smoking signs. So this is how our aircraft looks from outside. It's Pacific Air Express.
Departure check completed. Flight method inserted.
Okay, so we release our parking brakes.
All engines clear. Start that wheel.
And then when they start a push, we count to 2 seconds. They'll start 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and we start our engines. Our first engine is getting started, as you can see. So the first engine is getting started. Now the second engine is getting started. And the third engine is getting started. So we're walking through the base. So this is gonna be our left second captain here. This is all the hydraulics over here. So everything is good up here. So this is the port window. So let's see, all the circuit breakers are good. And then we're gonna A again.
Set parking brake.
So we're gonna set our parking brakes. This looks pretty fun, I'd say. From the left to you, I'm not really used to it. So we're gonna be captains today, so we're in the captain view. Turn our flaps down. All engines are on. They're going to unlock the gear. We can do our check. Left is good, right is good, back is good. Okay, they're unlocking the gear. That's pretty good.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass main orbital.
So, this plane does have a really low rate of takeoff speed. So, we're gonna start from the start. So we set a parking brake. Sorry for the mistake there.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
So we can open our window for fresh air. Look, this is a fresh open window. Okay, let's try to do that on A. Yes, it worked. So I have both windows open. Let's take off and ask for clearance. 5-3 Tango Bravo, San Francisco ground, welcome. 5-3 Tango Bravo is with you. On the taxiway. Taxi to nearest runway. It's runway 1 left. Taxi. Clear to taxi to runway 1 left. 5-3 Tango Bravo. Okay, so we lift up a little bit of power. Now we go. The thrust is moving. And then the plane should be moving. Yes, it is. Look, so this is a cargo plane. So there's technically nothing inside. So we're going to use the full runway. We're going to use the full length of the runway. Contacting tower on 120.5, 5-3 Tango Bravo. Okay, so we're contacting tower right here. Setting our parking brake. And yeah, so let's see. Let's do the pre-landing checklist, pre-takeoff checklist. So close the doors. And then ask for clearance. Oh, no, sorry. No, that's the last one. So turn on the landing lights, passenger signs on. Everything's good. 5-3 Tango Bravo, tower welcome. Holding short runway 1 left. Request takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 1 left. 5-3 Tango Bravo. Clear to take off runway 1 left. 5-3 Tango Bravo. Okay, so we take off park and brake. We give it a little bit of throttle. We have to wait a little bit. Kind of moving through. To line up with the runway. So here, turn to the left. Have a straight, nice turn in here. And then let's break off. So flaps set, passenger signs set, landing lights set, engines on. Let's just start takeoff. So we press on we give it a 25%, press on the brakes. We got power stabilized. Push off. So the thrust has combinated. And we're taking off. So again, speed very slow. V1. Rotate. We're off the ground. Takeoff accomplished. Pause are free. Gear up. Flaps up. We're gonna say so we're taking off. It's a direct contact. San Francisco departure on 13745. Contacting San Francisco departure on 13745. San Francisco departure 53 Tango Bravo is with you. Climbing. Park 3 Tango Bravo radar contact. Clear to climb. Okay, so we're climbing right now. So by the map right now that I have in my hands, we should be climbing to fair altitude, then turning left to our flight plan to New York. Turn on. So, autopilot 1. Three. Tango Bravo. Continue on flight plan ILS. continue on flight plan ILS 53 Tango Bravo. So we're clear to continue on the flight plan. So actually, we're turning left to right here. We're still climbing. That's where we're supposed to be. So now we can turn off landing lights. So we just took off. Three Tango Bravo. Continue on flight plan. 53 Tango Bravo. Continue on a flight plan. Okay, so this flight is straight to New York. So we stabilize right now. Okay, so we stabilize right now. We have some turbulence there.
Okay, Google, stop.
So,
Okay, Google. Stop.
okay, so we stabilize right now and continue on our course by GPS navigation. And then we tune out of San Francisco departure. San Francisco departure, this is Flight 3 Tango Bravo. Request frequency change. Frequency change approved by 3 Tango Bravo. Okay, so our frequency change just was approved. Thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, set a like on this video. And thank you very much.